Now, everybody might be wondering what is going to happen to Nifty, whether it is going to expire below 23,000. Are we going to expire near 22,800, or will the market go to 23,500? So, there are lots of questions in your mind, I'm sure. But I will tell you, markets are not going to go anywhere. In fact, it will not expire below 22,000. 23,000 levels. If you have seen our previous video, I've been saying market is going to come on the downside. In fact, yesterday's video we posted that we put a big thumbnail. We are expecting more downside. We are expecting that the market will come on the downside, right? We stand by that. But because expiry is there, expiry days are where HNIs, FPIs make good money, and they want to expire between the range of around 22,000, above 22,000. So that is what is happening in terms of chart. If you can see here, I'm sure you must be watching the US future. I am shooting this video around 2:30, 2:45. As of now, US futures are all in the gray, or not green. Everything is in the red. And not only US futures, even European market is in the red. So in spite of European markets being in the red, in spite of US futures being in the red, you know what is happening because of Trump's trade war. There are a lot of uncertainty, and the people are in panic mode. Gold prices have hit all time high, almost all time high, and we are going on the higher side, means this is pure manipulation. So whatever happens, we don't have to worry. Let me show you. We have some trade. We have given some trade to our people in our hand holding group, and everyone is in profit irrespective of whether they are having huge capital or small capital. Everyone is in profit, and these are all the strategies, right? Now we have a webinar on 27th of April where we talk about strategies, where we have almost zero loss strategy. I'm not going to say zero loss strategy, almost zero loss strategy. Because why am I saying this is because if the market, let's say hypothetically, Nifty gaps down around 500 points or 600 points, are we going to be profit? No, obviously we are not going to be profit, right? So we have a webinar on 27th of April, for which the link is on the description below. This is a lifetime payment. So previous March month webinar also you can see immediately. You can see this month webinar 27th also you are going to see. On top of that, we have strategies, we have knowledge base, we have videos, pro videos, everything A to Z. Whatever, whether you are a beginner or mature or expert, it will be of helpful to you, right? Now coming back to the markets, now markets are going on the higher side. Let us assume, let's say for example, this is the markets for you, and markets are going on the higher side. It is not ready to give up around 23,200. Now if you had watched our videos previously, I have told that 23,200 is a very very strong support. Now if you say your view is contrary to what you told yesterday we told the market is going to go down. Yes, market is going to go down. I'm not changing that, but when it will go down, that is the matter. Now since I have told this just few minutes back that they are holding huge positions at around 23,200, they will make sure it is profitable, then they will let it loose, right? That is the main thing I want to tell you. So there is every possibility for Nifty to close below about 23,200, where there is a huge order block which is evident here in our chart itself. So if you can see this chart, yesterday there is a huge block order at around 23,100 or 200 level, and they don't want to give up. And all day long, yesterday all day long, it closed about 23,200 level. And today also we gapped up. We tried to breach around 22,200. Then we are inching up towards around 23,300. We are somewhere around 23,300. So I am 100% sure what might happen, that we will close about 23,200. On the higher side, I don't think anywhere above 23,500, hypothetically, even that 23,500 might not happen. We might close somewhere around 23,200 to around 23,300 or 400 levels is what I am expecting. And this is all happening in spite of US market is in the deep red. You must be knowing what is happening to US market. So US market is in the red, but still our markets are not giving up. Means you can understand how manipulation is done, how these people are manipulated. That's why we have been saying this market is not for us. This market is for institution, HNIs or FPIs. And if you have to make money in this market, you will have to have a different mindset. You will have to have a different caliber, and you will have to have a lot of what to say courage to be in this market, because you are there are people who make, even if they see small profit, they will exit. And if they are seeing huge sitting in huge loss, they don't tend to exit. So we are not that case. And I've been saying about order block, and you can see how evident this order block is working both in Nifty and Bank Nifty 50,800, they have written huge orders, right? So they don't want to give up that one. So they will book the profit either in Nifty, which is around 23,200, or let's say Bank Nifty 50,800. They will book the profit and they will cut the wire, and maybe we will day after tomorrow, or maybe next week, we will likely see markets coming on the downside. In case of Nifty, we will see downwards around 50,800, or let's say 50,900 or something like that. And in terms of sorry, Nifty, we will see around 22,000, 23,000 levels taken out after this market, after this expiry is over, is what I believe. Now, I may go wrong, I may be right. There are times I have gone extremely wrong, and there are times I have been right. Now, when the market shot up from around 22,800 to around 23,600 or 23,700 levels, we told this market is likely to come down. The way it was going, there was no reason for the markets to go on the higher side. It will come back the way it went up, and that is what exactly is happening. So if you have not seen that video, I am posting daily videos about this. You can go and watch that video, and that is exactly what has happened. Now I am saying 23,000 will also be taken anytime soon. Just it is because of expiry related things we are holding to around 23,200. That also will be taken out, maybe date tomorrow, or not tomorrow, day after tomorrow it will be taken, is what we believe, right? So we have every possibility for the markets to come on the downside. And let's say, for example, if it is going on the higher side, if it is going to 23,600 or 23,700, it will be a perfect opportunity for FIAs to short this market. Now, in terms of FIAs also, I've been saying this FIAs were in the last week of April series, they were net buyers, and they will turn April series, they will turn net sellers, and that is what is happening. They are net sellers, right? So you can see what is happening in terms of FIA. So this is our Telegram group. We post a daily daily pre-market report in our Telegram group from A to Z, everything, levels, what is happening in terms of global market, what is happening in terms of local market, what is going to be the resistance, what is going to be the support, everything we are mentioning in pre-market report. If you are not part of our Telegram group, you can join our Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below, right? Now we have seen here technical overview broke below 50 10 to 200 days EMA. Bearish candle, 23,000 is a good support, 23,000 to 23,100 is a good support, which is actually happening. Now if you can see the chart, it was not able to go below 23,100. So that's what we have mentioned it here. Resistance, we are giving a hypothetical resistance, and even Nifty, Bank Nifty, we are giving everything. And you can also see here in terms of Bank Nifty, 51,000 is a good support we have written, and you can see here it is never going to go below. In fact, it opened around 50,900. It went all the way to around 51,200. Then next 5 or 10 minutes, we saw 50,900. So 51,000 was not taken out at all. When it comes to our pre-market report, put call ratio, everything we are mentioning in terms of corporate news, in terms of market news. And you can see here FII data. So FIIs are net sellers. April series, I told. March 27, 28, they were net buyers. April series, 1st of April, they are net sellers. They have sold for around 3,887 crores. And I'm sure going forward this month also, they will be net sellers, and they will sell huge amount of their holdings in Indian equities or Indian market. So this is the wrap up of what I'm trying to say. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, tomorrow is a very important day in terms of Indian retailer. We have an expiry. We expect 23,200 will not be taken out. And in terms of Banknifty, 51,000 is not going to be taken out. And I'm not sure whether you have watched what is happening in terms of premiums, what is happening in terms of strike premium. Still there is premium. Tomorrow's expiry, we are having around 120 rupees or 130 rupees of premium, which means that the markets are likely to be very hostile, and you will see two-way, three-way moves in the market maybe tomorrow. Because when premiums are high, there is a reason why premiums are high. Premiums are high because implied volatility is high. And why implied volatility is high is because lots of demand is there for these options, out of the money options. So if you can watch, or if you know, go and see what is happening in terms of IV. Implied volatility for out of the money call option and out of the money put option have increased drastically, which means these people, HNIs, FPIs, are buying huge amount of OTM call option or put option, so that they will move the market either side tomorrow. So be careful, trade cautiously, make sure you hedge your position, don't trade without your hedges. And if you are going to trade without hedges, it is going to punish you, right? So I've been talking almost around 13 minutes. I'll end this video here. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.